Welcome to another episode. Today's question is: are ethical dilemmas which philosophers discuss too remote from administrative situations? Are ethical dilemmas which philosophers discuss too remote from the administrative situations? So that is the question. To make it simple, the questioner asks, are the ethical principles practical or is it something theoretical? Like, can it be practiced? That is, to put it in another way. So, let us see that. What is the ethics? Dictionary meaning is it is moral principles that govern a person's behavior or the conducting an activity. So these are the principles which are derived by the society which govern a person's behavior and an activity. Ethical principles are merely a guidance and governing principles. Precisely, it is for administrative situations. Of course, philosophers discuss hypothetical situations which may not be practical and which may have no answers. But reality is beyond ethics and morality. It is right action, action which a situation warrants. We have turned morality and discipline into a shelter for our own protection, without any deep significance, without any reality. The individual is treated like some vicious animal that must be kept in a cage of morality. This is by J. Krishnamurti. So what we have done is we have created the moral principles and ethical principles to safeguard our interests and to project as if man is a vicious animal and he has to be put in a cage, and that always means about others, not as the one who says it or the one who is in power. So he points to others, put them in a cage so that his interests are safeguarded. Regardless of the political colors that run the country, misappropriation of funds and monetary values affecting impartiality, equality, and the participation in tenders and auctions, preferential management of funds that plan to increase the life standard of the community have become daily news and affect people. Everyday news, this is research. And we all know that every day we are seeing in newspapers misappropriation of public funds, the wealth which is meant for the public is swindled, natural resources are swindled without the benefits going to the government or the public, and the tenders, government tenders, are given a preferential treatment to the certain people who are cronies of the people in power. That happens. All this mismanagement happens and corruption happens in every community, in every country. Of course, to the varying scale. Some are more corrupt, others are less corrupt, but it happens everywhere. So why it happens? You can philosophize on that. But the reason is man's insatiable hunger for money. Why this happens? Because man is hungry for money. That is the basic reason. He wants more and more money. So he is corrupt. He is not satisfied with his food and shelter. He wants luxuries. He will not stop at that. So he is corrupting everything. Every man is like that. Because he wants to fill up with money because inwardly he is empty. So that empty space he wants to fill up with money. Society recognizes people of money and power. If one is innocent, he is treated as ignorant. But certain things can be done. One is bring about accountability, rule of the law and legality, professional integrity and responsibility. These can be done. So what you can bring is accountability, rule of the law and legality, professional integrity and responsibility. Ethics of sovereign good. The ethics of the sovereign good is identified to be a set of different views on what is good, so that from that it can be judged. It can be commonly seen in real world scenarios that many people have different versions of the same ethical concept. People try to twist the concept to fit their needs on the concept of good. Therefore, it is important to identify the viewpoint that holds true spirit of the ethical guidelines. So what happens? The ethics of sovereign good, that is meant, it is because people, when you say some moral guidelines or ethical guidelines, people twist it to suit their own benefits. They change it, they interpret it into a different thing. Ultimately, the original intent is vanishing. So, set the standards of ethical guidelines so that what is good is defined, what is right is defined, so that the true spirit is withheld. It is upheld. Otherwise, people change it. The white slowly becomes grey, the grey becomes darker and darker, and one fine day you find white becomes black. People treat black as white. Slowly it changes. Everybody accepts, oh, it's okay, it's small grey. Basically it is white. Like that they say, over a period of time, it becomes totally black. That's how these principles are changed little by little over a period of time. And finally, it becomes completely opposite of what it is meant to do, meant to say what is correct and what is wrong. The shades become darker and darker. The correction becomes bigger and bigger. It starts with small and we say it's okay. So finally you say the black is dark grey. No, it is only a little corruption. No, it does not stop at that. Then we say that being white is not possible. Being correct is not possible. A little dark is okay. But it is completely dark. That's how it becomes. And we say it is not practical to be correct, ethically right in a government service or in your practical life. No, it is possible. There are people who do it. In recent times, there is one such example is IPS officer Rupa Maudgil of Karnataka. Listen to her TEDx talks. Why bureaucrats hesitate to act. Why bureaucrats hesitate to act. Listen to her talk in YouTube, TEDx. You will understand. It is possible to act. There are a lot of people who act on corrupt politicians. They are there to tell you the story. They have not bent. Nothing will happen. You should have the guts to do that, the boldness to do that, the mind to do that. So it is possible, it is practical, totally practical. Only you should be willing to do it. To follow that is what the questioner asked, whether it is practical. Yes, it is practical. You can follow the ethical principles or go beyond it if you are spiritual, but in practical world, yeah, it is possible. So with this we will end this episode. Stay with me for another episode. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.